Next we'll go ahead and remove the mechanical seal. You want to take this key out first. If you need to, you could take a screwdriver and tap it out. Remove the friction ring. Take your 2 screwdrivers and pry out the mechanical seal. And examine this for any wear, any surface damage from an abrasive substance, and also if the seal is melted or cracked from being run dry. Here's an example of a seal that had been run dry. It is possible to remove the seat by prying it out with 2 screwdrivers, but this will most likely damage the seal and you'd want to replace it. We're actually going to take the flange off first and take it out from the backside. So to do that, take your 1/2-inch wrench and remove these 4 bolts. You can pull the flange straight off of the motor. Now we'll remove the seal seat from this side. If you were going to try to reuse a seal, you'd want to put a rag down or something to help protect the seal from any damage or dirt. You want to make sure that you have a very clean work area. And the seal can be tapped out from the backside gently with a screwdriver. You can also look at this area in here for excessive corrosion.